Hello and welcome. Are you ready to discover the top 10 best foods that will help your baby's weight gain? We know how crucial it is to provide your little one with the right nutrition for healthy growth. In this video, we will share a list of the top 10 weight gain superstars that will ensure your little one is growing healthy and strong. Let's get started. Number 10. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is rich in complex carbohydrates, which provide a steady release of energy and can aid in healthy weight gain. It's also packed with dietary fiber, which promotes digestion and helps keep your little one's tummy satisfied. To prepare oatmeal for your baby, simply cook it with breast milk or formula for added nutrients and familiar flavors. You can also experiment with different toppings to make it more enticing. How about adding mashed bananas or pureed apples for a touch of sweetness and extra vitamins? When offering oatmeal to your baby, make sure it's cooked to a soft and smooth consistency to avoid any choking hazards. And as always, consult with your pediatrician or a healthcare professional for specific recommendations based on your baby's individual needs. Number 9. Avocado. Avocado, the creamy and nutritious fruit that both you and your baby will love. Did you know that avocados are packed with healthy fats and calories, making them an excellent choice for promoting weight gain in babies? It's true. The rich and velvety texture of avocados not only adds a delightful taste to your baby's meals, but also provides essential nutrients for their growth. So how can you incorporate this amazing fruit into your little one's diet? You can simply mash up a ripe avocado and offer it as a spread on whole grain toast or crackers. Your baby will enjoy the smooth and creamy texture while benefiting from the healthy fats that support their weight gain journey. Number 8. Nut butter. Nut butters provide a concentrated source of nutrients, including healthy fats, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are crucial for your baby's overall growth and development. Incorporating nut butter into their diet can help increase their calorie intake in a nutritious way. To introduce nut butter to your little one, start with a small amount and gradually increase the quantity as they become accustomed to the taste and texture. You can spread a thin layer of nut butter on whole grain toast or mix it with oatmeal or yogurt for a tasty and nutrient-dense snack. It's important to ensure that there are no allergies or family history of nut allergies. Always consult with your pediatrician before introducing any new food to your baby. Number 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients that can support your baby's growth. It is high in protein, calcium, and probiotics, which are beneficial for their developing bones, muscles, and gut health. Including Greek yogurt in their diet can provide a creamy and nutritious boost to their calorie intake. You can serve it plain and let them explore the different textures and flavors. You can also mix it with pureed fruits like mashed bananas or blueberries to add natural sweetness and a burst of vitamins. Encourage your baby to take the spoon and have fun while eating. They'll love the creamy texture and tangy taste of Greek yogurt. Choosing plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt is important to avoid unnecessary added sugars. This way, you're providing your baby with the pure goodness of yogurt without any extra sweeteners. Number 6. Lentils. Let's talk about lentils, the tiny nutritional powerhouses that can help your baby with healthy weight gain. These legumes are not only packed with protein, but also rich in fiber and complex carbohydrates, making them a fantastic choice for your little one's meals. Preparing lentils for your baby is easy. Start by rinsing them thoroughly to remove any dirt or debris. Then cook them in water or broth until they become soft and tender. Once cooked, you can puree them to a smooth consistency, making it easier for your baby to consume and digest. And before we continue, we would love to hear from you. What foods have you found helpful in healthy weight gain for your baby? Please share your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like to help support our channel. Number 5. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is a creamy, high-calorie beverage that can be a wonderful addition to your baby's diet. When choosing coconut milk for your little one, it's important to opt for unsweetened and organic options. This ensures that you're providing the purest and most natural form of coconut milk, without any added sugars or unnecessary additives. Coconut milk can be used in various ways to boost your baby's calorie intake. You can incorporate it into their purees, mixing it with fruits or vegetables to add creaminess and richness. Additionally, you can include it in their cereals, such as oatmeal or rice cereal, for added flavor and calories. Number 4. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are a fantastic food choice to support healthy weight gain in your baby. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients that can contribute to their growth and development. Preparing sweet potatoes for your little one is quite simple. Start by steaming or baking them until they are soft and tender. This cooking method helps retain their natural flavors and nutrients. Once cooked, you can mash or puree them to a smooth and creamy consistency, making it easier for your baby to consume. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and vitamins A and C. These nutrients not only provide energy, but also support immune function and overall health. Additionally, sweet potatoes contain natural sugars that can contribute to healthy weight gain in your baby. Number 3. Dried fruits. Dried fruits such as raisins, apricots, or dates are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. These little treats are concentrated in calories and natural sugars, making them an excellent choice to promote healthy weight gain in your baby. They provide a quick energy boost and are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. One way to introduce dried fruits to your baby's diet is by chopping them into small bite-sized pieces. These can be offered as a finger food for your little one to explore and enjoy. Make sure the pieces are soft and safe for them to eat, and always supervise them during feeding. Another option is to mix dried fruits into their purees or mashed fruits. It's essential to choose high-quality organic dried fruits without any added sugars or preservatives. Check the labels and opt for unsulfured varieties whenever possible. Number 2. Whole grains. Let's talk about the importance of whole grains for promoting healthy weight gain in your baby. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. These grains are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing a good source of energy for your growing baby. They offer a more substantial and nutrient-dense option compared to refined grains. Incorporating whole grains into your baby's meals and snacks can help support their healthy weight gain. You can introduce cooked and mashed brown rice as a side dish, or mix it with purees for added texture and nutrition. Quinoa can be cooked until soft and used as a base for vegetable purees, or mixed with fruits for a wholesome and filling meal. Another option is to offer whole wheat bread as finger foods, or as a base for healthy spreads like nut butter. Number 1. Butternut squash. Butternut squash is rich in vitamins A and C, which are essential for your baby's growth and development. It also provides dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps your baby feel full and satisfied. To prepare butternut squash for your baby, start by peeling the skin and removing the seeds. Then cut it into small cubes or slices for steaming or roasting. Once cooked until soft, you can mash it or puree it to a smooth consistency for your baby to enjoy. When introducing butternut squash to your baby, observe their response and check for any signs of allergies or digestive discomfort. Start with small portions and gradually increase the amount as your baby becomes accustomed to it. Thank you for joining us today and being a part of this discussion on the best baby food for weight gain and growth. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and take care.